Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. I am taking the truffle dish here. It is plastic, all of these are plastic, but quick and easy serving ideas for tomorrow. Okay, so we've got the plastic tray as well, and then I also have this little plastic guy, this little plastic candy dish. So if you know me, you know we're gonna take this guy and we're gonna flip him upside down. But I wanna make sure that I get everything where it needs to be. So I'm gonna take this guy and flip him upside down. I've got my glue gun. Now, if you are using hot foods, probably the glue gun isn't the best way to go. Maybe doing E6000 would be a good way to go, but I'm trying to keep it as nice as possible. And then this fits perfectly. It does fit perfectly, but I put it on the inside because you know who I am, right? It actually fits perfectly right around the outside. But good thing we did it perfectly. Because we want it to look nice. You could always cover it up, and I'll actually show you how in just a moment. But we're going to put that right on there, and it does, like I said, fit rather nicely. I'm not going to use the word perfectly again, but yeah, I messed up with that. But you definitely could put a doily on top, but I also wanted to show you. So you've got, this is what it looks like. You guys, it really is pretty. Too bad this is showing so much. Definitely gonna do the doily there to cover that up. But I also wanted to show you this. So we've got a tray. You can put your cookies, you can put all kinds of stuff on there. If you do not want it that way, you flip it over and you've got this beautiful trifle dish. And then you can put little fruits along the bottom. You can put some dip in there. Or, let me show you, if you wanted to do a smaller dip, you would take this guy here, put it right over there, and now it's all hidden. And you can put your dip in here with maybe the carrots and all kinds of stuff right around there. You can keep this little guy cold. It really is a pretty thing. I'm gonna show it to you in a better video or a better picture here at the end. But you guys, it's so sweet and it's so cute, and this would be so great for like a tea party or something similar like that. I hope you like it. It's quick, it's easy. That's what we're doing this holiday season. We're doing quick, easy, inexpensive, and like, I can't even think, just 1 or 2 pieces. So I hope you like it. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more DIYs coming in the future. All right, have a great day. Bye.